Hi. For YouTube.
I'm tired.
Anong kailangan mo? So, gawa ka mag-ano ko, isa, no? This is Bulinaw.
Ano travel advisory ito?
And instant go.
This is Sinsan and she is the tourist attraction here in the
Ouch!
Bulinaw.
Nasaksak ako instant dito.
Bulinaw. Kind of medyo ano na rin, crowded na rin because last year when we were here, these shades were not yet here eh. So it's plain sand dati before. So, yeah. The Pakwan girl. There's Lola. So hot. Mainit. So yun. Okay naman. Mainit lang. Bulinaw, Pangasinan. I mean, Pater Beach, White Sand Beach. Isa sa mga premier tourist destinations ng Pangasinan. So, pasyal kayo dyan. Gali kayo. Babangil. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay na Intan.
Say bye.
Pari picture pa dyan, picture.